What's up, guys? Welcome to Sethioz reviews. You should know that by now. But we have a keyboard in here by Aukey RGB mechanical look keyboard. What is a mechanical look? Like, seriously, what is a mechanical look? I think they mean mechanical feel keyboard, but we will see. So it's not mechanical. It should feel like mechanical or look like one. I mean, I don't know what a mechanical look is, but it's an RGB keyboard, so it's white. The box is gonna get off the table. Nice packaging, very nice. I like these things in there. It's mechanical look indeed. They usually are like this, but let's see. It actually does feel like mechanical. I just typed my name. I actually like this. This is really quiet. Personally, I never liked the mechanical keyboards, even though I am using one, because on this one you can't really replace the keycaps. I'm gonna try. Yep, see. These are like different on all of them, and you can't replace them because I don't know, there is not a single company that sells the keycaps for specific keyboards. And this is like unique. I never seen this kind of before. This is like a square, see? Usually they're like round. You can take them out, but like I said, you can't really find replacements, and on my keyboard I have the blank keyboard. You can check in the description if you want to see the blank keyboard thing I have. But I like this because it's really quiet. So I put the microphone close to it. It's really quiet compared to the actual mechanical keyboard, so that's why I like these ones really. But I'm not going to be using this because it's white and I don't like to see anything white on my table, but nevertheless it's a good keyboard. And also to talk about these kind of things, this is why I like these more than the mechanical ones. Let's say you spill your drink on the keyboard, right? See this kind of collar thing in here? If something liquid goes in here, the liquid has to be higher than this collar in order to, go into the board. So other than that, it's basically, liquid proof. It's really useful, this kind of things. It also has the RGB, which I want to check out. It probably has like all the different colors and stuff. So what is this for? Like seriously, you put a bag around this? Okay, whatever. And we have this thing in here, that cable manager. I don't know what you call it. Cable manager. Holy crap, that's a good name. Cable manager. Right, we have a user manual. Ooh, the Aukey sticker. I was just about to say that the sticker is missing, but it's here. This is the key. I always show this, see? Looks like this. Really good. Key Aukey. Right, so I want to see the effects on this thing. The manual is going to probably tell you which buttons to press. It's probably the function and something like something. It's like hold this function down, then press like these are volume buttons, for example. Volume down, volume plus, mute, stop, previous track, pause, play, next track, mail. What is that? Lock computer. I don't know what the heck that is. That looks like I don't know what. That's home. But yeah. So I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna connect it up. I'm gonna show you the colors and stuff. It says it's RGB, so supposed to change it and stuff. It doesn't have a driver, at least I didn't see it. So it has to be all controlled from here, like this. Something like press it like this. It's probably like this and this, and brightness up and down. This is like whatever. So anyway, I'm gonna check it out and show you. So I've connected it up. This is the default color. I don't know how well you can see it. I might have to make it even darker in here, but let's try. It has custom colors. The manual, it has all the commands in here. There's no point really showing it, because if you're going to buy this, you're gonna see this anyway. So let's see, what is it? Function up. This is the brightness. Yes, that's the brightness. Is it? Okay, that's the speed. Okay, that's the speed, see? That's like a disco mode. So we can turn the light on and off by this button, I believe. No, it's this one. What? What was that then? I have no idea what I just did. Okay, it's function plus escape is the mode. So this is like wavy thing. I don't know how well you can see it. Might have to make it a little bit darker in here. Alright, I think this is a lot better, so you can actually see the keyboard. It's pretty cool, see? So we press function escape. See, these are different modes. You can go faster, you can go slower. It has 12 different modes. So is that only red, or what is it exactly? I'm not sure, but yep, that's the, oh my god, this is so nice. It's like the snow white keyboard, frosty keyboard. Pink, that's some curl stuff. It's cool. We have blue, light blue actually. White with white backlight. Mac stuff, definitely. Then we have this breathing mode. Okay, it breathes into a different color. What's that, light off then? Oh, that's this thing. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Yeah, that is really cool. Then we have, I don't know what this is. And this, I think this is the best one. I like this one. That's pretty cool. It's the party mode, like I call it. And there's also custom mode, which I'm trying to figure out right now. So we press FN plus scroll lock twice. That should be the custom, but how do you do this then? Okay, so we're changing. Oh, that's how you customize the colors. Look at that. It's like sections of the keyboard, see? So you can change the different sections with different colors. That's the customization mode. See? See? That's yeah. I get this now. And to press save this, you press this again, and that's how it stays now. See? You can't customize each button, but you can customize the sections. So hold down function and press twice the scroll lock. Nope. I think it was once. I don't know why it says twice. Once. And then save. See, function plus scroll lock just once. Then these lights start blinking, and that's the customization mode. Hold down the function and press either function 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6, and that changes the different sections of the keyboard. See, and to save it, hold down function and press scroll lock again, and that saves it. Function and pause button turns the light completely off or on, and different modes is function plus escape that switches between the different modes. So that's all there is. It also has the Windows lock. If you hold the function and press this, then that light goes on. So that's all there is really. Really cool keyboard. I really like it. It's not mechanical, but I prefer actually this one. If only I would have the blank keys, then I would actually use a keyboard like this over the mechanical. But I hope you're happy with it, and well, I will see you next time.